Get ready to embark on an enlightening journey through the premier AI courses of 2024. We'll uncover the rich curriculum, meet the expert instructors, and explore the standout aspects that set these courses apart. Keep your eyes peeled for a transformative learning experience that awaits you. Join us as we navigate the cutting edge advancements and tailor made modules designed to catapult you into the AI vanguard. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your expertise, these courses are your primary gateway to becoming an AI aficionado. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your skills and connect with the best in the world. This course imparts a fundamental understanding of AI concepts using Azure services. It provides a solid foundation in AI principles and an introduction to Azure's AI tools and services. The course is designed for a diverse audience, catering to both technical and non-technical backgrounds. It focuses on providing a comprehensive understanding of Azure's AI ecosystem. Upon successful completion, participants receive a certification that validates their foundational knowledge in AI on Azure. This course takes a comprehensive, hands-on approach to building an AI using this latest version of OpenAI's language model, ChatGPT-4. The course stays updated with the latest AI trends and technologies, ensuring learners are equipped with current skills. Udemy provides a certificate of completion which is widely recognized in the industry. This course offers a concise exploration of AI and machine learning fundamentals tailored for busy professionals. The course is designed with flexible learning modules that can be completed at the learner's own pace. LinkedIn Learning awards a certificate that can be added directly to your LinkedIn profile. This course focuses on the integration of AI into business strategies and applications. The course is offered by a prestigious university and taught by industry experts. Participants receive a professional certificate from UC Berkeley. This course demystifies AI and its implications for business and society, ideal for non-technical professionals. This course is taught by AI luminary Andrew Ng and is accessible to everyone. Coursera offers a certificate for a fee. This course is perfect for those looking to master Tensorflow, Google's open source machine learning framework. It provides a deep dive into Tensorflow's capabilities. Coursera provides a certificate recognized by many tech industry employers. This course offers a comprehensive AI education covering various aspects of AI, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. The program includes real-world projects and case studies. Participants receive a professional certificate from IBM. These courses represent a snapshot of the AI learning opportunities available in 2024. They cater to a broad range of learners, from beginners to professionals seeking to deepen their expertise in specific AI technologies. Each course has unique features and benefits, and the choice should align with your learning objectives. Whether you're interested in understanding AI from a business perspective, getting hands-on with AI tools, or building and deploying AI models, there's a course out there for you. Enjoy your learning journey. Become a part of our dynamic community by subscribing to our channel for the most recent news and engaging content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate notifications to keep up with all the action.